Grilled scallops served with spaghetti tossed with baby spinach, tomatoes, black olives, and basil pesto. This weeknight meal idea is easy and delicious. Try super quick grilled scallops with pesto pasta. This recipe comes to us from our friends at Choose Canadian Seafood. I'll put a link to their website up in the story at weekendatthecottage.com. High level on this recipe, it is easy to make. It is not going to take a ton of time. It uses scallops, which are so delicious. Here's how to make it. If using bamboo brochettes, place 4 of them in a container of water the night before you intend to make the recipe. Of course, you can use metal brochettes for this recipe. We found working with the bamboo ones a lot easier, less cleanup. Next up for the recipe, a little flavor boost for pesto. We're going to zest a lemon, place it into a medium bowl, then cut the zested lemon and juice it. Add 3 tablespoons of that juice into the bowl. Next, we're going to finely chop 2 cloves of garlic, add that to the bowl, and then half a cup of basil pesto. Stir the mixture together, then reserve about 1/4 of the quantity. The larger quantity of the pesto mixture is going to be used when we go to do the pasta. The smaller quantity though, we're going to use to marinate the scallops. They're up next. We have 375 grams of scallops, which is about 24 to 30. Count them, then divide by 4 to determine how many will go on each brochette. Then hold the scallop kind of flat in your fingers and gently push the brochette through. Keep adding scallops, pulling them further up the brochette with each addition until the intended number of scallops is added. Place the scallops on a plate or platter, then add swipes of the pesto. Turn them over, add marinade to the flip sides. Next, we get the add-ins for the pasta ready. 4 cups of baby spinach standing by, plus 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, halved, plus 1/4 cup of pitted black olives. We're gonna have them as well. Last 2 things, we're grilling the scallops, right? So turn the barbecue on to medium high, about 500 degrees. Then while the barbecue's warming up, we're adding 2 tablespoons of salt to a big pot of water, bring it to a boil, then add 1 package of long noodle pasta like spaghetti. Add the pasta, stir it in, and we're gonna cook the pasta to al dente. The pasta is going to take about 12 minutes to cook, so while it's cooking away, time to grill the scallops. Watch how easy this is. Place the brochettes of scallops down onto the hot grill, close the lid, leave them to grill for 2 minutes. Then lift the lid, using tongs, kind of nudge each one in case they're sticking. Then you're going to be able to give them a flip. Look at those gorgeous grill marks. Close the lid, let the brochettes cook for 2 minutes more, and voila, those scallops are done to perfection. Let's do a little flavor boost, so add a little brush of pesto when the scallops come off the grill. Now we head back to the kitchen to pull the meal together. Before straining the cooked pasta, reserve half a cup of the pasta water, then strain and add the pasta back to the pot or to a big bowl like what I'm doing. Next, add the pesto plus most of the pasta water. Optional chili flakes adds a nice heat to this dish. Then add the tomatoes, add the olives and the spinach. Now toss gently. Okay, who is hungry? You. Dinner plates, please. Add a portion of the pasta. Add more chili flakes if you'd like. Then nestle a brochette of grilled scallops to the side. Amazing. Know what else is amazing? The full recipe, which is now up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, take a picture of this beautiful dish when you make it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Super quick, grilled scallops with pesto pasta. We just made your next weeknight dinner idea really easy. Enjoy. Delish.